Y luego, sí, ahí, pues, con mi papi, uno, no,
Ja, pasalo faccio le acquaia. Ja. Good evening all. So this is Fale Ula. Or Bako Au Fale Ula. Yeah, so our we're gonna cover performance for the was I tema. 5 up for the last 2 days of the competition. Yeah, kalau yang mana Bako performance ada cawan rumah. Ele se me dega la acta e fo pe fa assim wa ai fa ar sak o kan fi mora fa ngore ko ruma ya la makala ele me la makala piazzo ai fa le diu e fu ngasi fa ngore tau ruma kula me ngira ngar vi ngar tau le o ya le au temperature come on gas ayuni. So tonight we're going to do a performance. We can't act it out, but we have to do as it is, because it is. So every performance that we do, we always end up with a tauruma, with the tau boys in the middle, and the males are on the outside. But Beato and Marcia will explain how to go. Yeah, that's it. Performance.
O se sivane fai uai se roko se fakia fai uai se fakia na pasamo o le tauanunga o tau bou o fati veitale se a fines se matai tei baunga o se a fines fai te agu ai o tai fai le sivu ia ayuli tuor tako ai lang tu malu tu aku ya sola fasa una ovale de ayuli luma tu tako ona venga lai una puia le al tako mai sangat sa ko ida de ke o mai amo tu kira piamo
Olha que eu vou mandar um
Taupong is like the last performance of the Tarunga has to be the High Chief's daughter or the pastor's daughter. I'm talking about a girl. There's boys. You can see the boys when they get up. It's called the guardians. It's called the guardians. There used to be a woo-wing that the guardians can pass the girl. Trouble. In case they might lift her up and carry her to her back. And I think that's it. Thank you. Welcome.
Performance de tauruma. Mas taupo keo. So taupo for tonight will be keo and
Ya malesi winga fa ko ka walunga ro fali. Ole ka ma ta ku le siku ole ka fa fianga ku le siku ka walunga le. Fali ma fa la fa.
It's the top of the house. I'm plastic salmon, so we move.
Ole tawalu.
Yeah, oh, if you busy come out all fast.
Ole tawalu.
tu.